Okay, so in order to upload the Instagram post you designed, you will need to have a Hootsuite account or other scheduling platform. Hootsuite account will allow you to schedule the post when you want. So for example, at the times when your audience is the most active, and you can schedule them once per week, and basically they will publish automatically if you've got business account enabled on Instagram. So basically you will need to create a Hootsuite account first. So go to hootsuite.com and scroll all the way down and pick a free plan. So you can get started with free plan. It allows you to manage up to 3 social media networks, which is perfect. So sign up for a free plan and you simply confirm your selection. No thanks, I just want a free plan. Okay, and in the next window you will be able to connect your social media account. So click on your profile and click on Manage Social Media Networks. And here you can connect accounts. Simply click Private Network. I've already got connected Instagram. So I'll show you how to schedule your posts. So go to Publisher. And here is the planner. It really allows you to schedule the post according to where you want the post to appear, when you want the post to get published, so basically which day, which time, and so on. So let's say we want to publish them on Tuesday at 6 p.m. So click on the slot here, and now click New Post. And now choose Social Network. So let's choose Instagram. And also remember, if you haven't got direct publishing enabled, which means it is enabled if you've got business profile, so you have to do it on Instagram, enable business profile. If you haven't done it, it means that you will get push notifications on your phone and you will need to publish the posts that way. However, with direct publishing, the post will be posted directly to Instagram. So here you go, you selected social media network, and let's add a photo. So you can simply upload the photo or drag and drop the post we just created. So I drag the post from Canva that I've created. It's a really nice post, and I can see the preview on the right, and here we can add a short description. So here you go, I added Find Heavenly Peace with Our Yoga Pants, and if you scroll down on the right, you can see the preview, how it will look on the Instagram. And don't forget that Instagram allows you to add, I believe, up to 30 hashtags. So this is how your posts get more visibility. And in the next videos, I will show you how to find the right ones, how to find the best ones. So once that's done, now you have to schedule it. So click here. Well, we already picked a slot, but you can change it as well. You can change the time and the date. Once done, simply click either schedule or save as a draft. So you can simply click schedule. And this is how you schedule your first Instagram post with Hootsuite.